Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to add widgets on Windows 11 or 10. So before we begin, we need to firstly turn them on. So for that, go to Personalization, Taskbar, and in here, as you can see where it says widgets, make sure to enable this button right here. And after that, it's actually pretty simple. You just on your keyboard press the combination of buttons Windows plus W. Alright, and after pressing those two buttons, as you can see, we have our widgets, so click on the plus, and you can choose whichever widget you want to add. For example, sports. If you want to pin it and add it, you just press on pin, and you can do this with multiple. For example, PC Manager, already have it added. Let's say traffic, pin. And as you can see now, our widgets are added. So that's pretty much it. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.